this problem, we're going to compute the average rate of change of f of x that is given as a graph from x1 equals 0 to x2 equals 7. So the formula for the average rate of change of f of x, I'm going to denote it by m, which is commonly used to refer to a slope because average rate of change is a slope of this line that connects the point at x1 equals 0 to the point at x2 equals 7. So the slope of this line is, as the slope always is, a difference in y values, y2 minus y1, divided by the difference in x values, x2 minus x1. Now, the y values are given by the values of a function f of x. So, in this case, y2 would be f of x2, and then y1 would be f of x1. Now, let's fill in the information that we have. We have x1 equals 0 and x2 equals 7. So, we have f of 7 minus f of 0 divided by 7 minus 0. So now all we need to do is get the values of our function f of x at x1 equals 0 and x2 equals 7, and then we'll be able to compute our average rate of change. So to get those function values, we refer to our graph. So when x is equal to 0, the corresponding y value is the y coordinate of this point, which is 14. So 14 is equal to f of 0. And then when x is equal to 7, the value f of 7 is the y coordinate of this point on the graph, and that is 12. So 12 is equal to f of 7. So let's fill in this information here. So we have f of 7 is 12, and then f of 0 is 14, divided by the change in x values. So we end up with minus 2 over 7. So minus 2 sevenths is our average rate of change from x1 equals 0 to x2 equals 7.